people, welcome to my channel. We will be working on exercise number 18 today. It will be a little bit more challenging from now on, so bear with me. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. It's a good time to subscribe to the channel right now so you won't miss out on any new videos, and I'll be glad to help out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Today we will be working on exercise number 18. This is going to be a challenging exercise compared to what we've done so far. It's not that difficult either, so I'll just show you the easy way on how to draw this. We will be doing a little bit of chamfering as well as circles and half circles. So we're gonna start by drawing a line of 114. And the width should be 81.5. And we're going to make this into a rectangle, just like we did in the previous exercises. If you don't know how I found that point and how I dragged it, watch the last videos. You will learn. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So now I'm going to show you exactly on how to draw this half circles right here and cut them out of your drawing. Very easy way. So I'm going to click on the line command. I'm going to move my mouse to this point right here. Without clicking, I'm going to just drag the mouse towards the right direction, and I'm not clicking on anything. And now I'm going to just do some calculation. According to the picture, there is a 37 length plus a 10 length, which is going to be a 47. So I'm just going to type 47, enter, and it automatically gives me the line starting at this point without redrawing it on this line. So I'm going to go up 10 units, enter. I'm going to go 20 units this direction, and I'm going to bring it down and connect it, and make sure your object snap right here, the perpendicular is on, so that way you get the perpendicular side just like right now, and you'll know exactly where to click. I'll click on that and press escape. Now I'm going to just make a circle from the midpoint. Again, in your object snap, make sure your midpoint is on. So you're gonna go ahead and do it from midpoint and connect it to this point. Before I forget, I'm gonna trim the parts that I don't need. And this is how I cut it out. I'm gonna press on escape, go on line command again. I'm going to move my mouse to this point without clicking. I'm going to move it towards the top direction, and I'm not clicking on anything. Now I'm going to type 18.75 plus 10, that's 28.75. 28.75. And it'll automatically start from that point. And I'm going to go 13.5 towards the left direction, enter. I'm going to go ahead and type a 24, enter, and because I already checked, I know my perpendicular sign is on, I'm just going to connect it to that point. I'm going to go ahead and do a circle with the radius command from the midpoint, and I'm going to connect it here. I'm going to trim before I forget the parts I don't need. Escape. I'm going to go ahead and go on the line command again. Go here, move my mouse without clicking, move my mouse towards the left direction, and this time I'm going to type 47 again. It automatically starts at 47. I'm going to go 10 units towards the bottom direction, or negative Y. And now I'm going to go 20. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect them together. Escape, go on the circle radius command and connect them together. Start from the midpoint. I'm going to trim what I don't need. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my mouse again here, move this way, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an 18.75 plus a 12, that's 30.75. I'm gonna go 13.5. I'm gonna do a 24, and I'm gonna connect it back. Escape. Go on the circle radius command and connect these together, and I'm gonna trim it where I don't need. So hopefully so far so good. We're gonna go ahead and go on the line command. Again, I'm gonna use the same trick without clicking. I'm gonna move my mouse 13 units. It'll automatically start at 13 units. I'll click somewhere on the screen, doesn't matter where, as long as it's more than 12. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. This time I'm gonna type 12, and I'm gonna go this direction. Make sure in order to have the straight lines, you need to have this one on, so it will show you the green tracking points. Now I'm gonna go ahead and type here. I'm gonna get a radius 5, and here I'm gonna go ahead and do a 13. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a 12 here. Copy the circle and drop it off. Pick it up from the center point, drop it off where the center is supposed to be. And I'll zoom into my work so I'll know exactly where I'm dropping it off. So now I'm going to repeat doing the same thing. I could mirror, but I'm going to do it again so you'll see exactly. I'm going to have to do this a few times for you guys to understand exactly what's going on. So again, I'm not clicking anywhere. I'm just pointing my mouse starting from there towards here. And I'm going to type a 13. And I'm going to go straight down this time. And I'm going to go ahead and do a 12. I'm going to go this direction as long as it passes that point. 12. And I'm going to pass that point. Do a radius of 5. Press space. Go back to the last command. And I'm going to do another radius of 5 here. I'm going to delete what I don't need, which are these lines right here. And now I will do a chamfer on the corners. So I'm going to go on chamfer command, type angle, press angle, and I'm going to type a 10. Enter. And I want to do a 45. And then I will click on these lines. I'm going to do that one more time. Chamfer. Type 10, click on angle, type 10, enter, type 45, enter. Here, press space, repeat the same command, space, this, and there we have it. We have cut out the pieces that we don't need, made half circles, made chamfer, and put some circles in there. Hopefully you find this exercise easy enough. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. I will see you on the next exercise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.